what's up, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some cute and easy phone case designs. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. Also guys, I did post a new video over on my second channel, so after you're done watching this video, you can check it out. The link will be down below. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, for this DIY, you're going to need a plain white phone case. You can get these from eBay or Amazon, and I got mine for only $1, so these are really cheap. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint the entire phone case with some yellow acrylic paint. I am doing a pineapple design, so that is why I chose yellow. Then using a slightly darker shade, I'm going to make diagonal lines from one side and then the other. Once that was done, I'm going to take some green polymer clay and I'm going to make the leaves for the top. So I took my phone case and I'm kind of like flattening down the clay just so that I know it's not thicker than the phone case. I hope that made sense, but you can kind of like see what I did there. Now using my blade, I'm just going to cut it into the shape and let that bake in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. So once the clay is out of the oven, you just want to glue it at the top using some super glue. At this point, you have your pineapple phone case. You can leave it here, or you can do what I did and make a face. So I'm using acrylic paint, but you can also use like a marker for this if you want like more precision. And I'm making a smiley face, and once that's done, I'm also gonna make a bow tie. I think this was like the cutest thing ever. Just like adding a bow makes it, I don't know, gives it a nice touch, also gives it some personality. So yeah. This is a super important step. Once you're done with the phone case design, you want to seal it in with a varnish. This will give it like a nice shine, and it's also going to prevent the paint from chipping. And there is the super adorable pineapple phone case all completed. For the next phone case design, I'm going to be making an all-over phone case, aka I'm going to be making a puppy phone case. If you're a longtime viewer, you may know who Oliver is, but he's basically a character that I made on this channel about like 2 years ago. So yeah, I'm just going to be making a phone case design of him. The first thing that I did was paint the phone case with some beige acrylic paint. Then I went ahead and I made his eyes. And now using some brown acrylic paint, I'm making like a heart spot, which I think is like so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just complete his face. Once I was done with the face, I'm going to take some brown polymer clay and I'm going to make his ears. You can also like paint the ears on, but I wanted the ears to like kind of pop and like be 3D. So I baked that in the oven for about 5 minutes, and then using some super glue, I'm just going to glue them in place. And there is the completed all-over phone case. For the third phone case design, I'm going to be making a rainbow chocolate chip cookie. So I have my phone case and I'm going to paint it using some pink acrylic paint. You can do like any base color that you like. So once the base color is dry, you can start painting on the cookie. As you can see, I'm using some beige acrylic paint, and I'm gonna make sure that I make the cookie pretty large so that it really stands out. So before you add the chocolate chips, you want to add the face. This way you're going to know like the placement of everything. And now I'm going to add the rainbow chocolate chips. I'm using red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. To give the cookie slightly more detail, I went in with a medium brown, and I'm gonna outline the cookie and also add a few like spots. This is just going to give it a little bit more detail. Once you're done with the phone case design, you want to seal it in with a gloss varnish or Mod Podge, and there is the phone case design all completed. This next phone case design I'm going to be showing you is inspired by slime. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint a phone case using some blue acrylic paint. You can of course do whatever color that you want. Once the paint is completely dry, you want to go in with your hot glue gun and start making this dripping pattern. As you guys can see, I'm doing this really badly. It's not perfect at all, but I will be adding a layer of puffy paint on top, and that is going to like smooth it all out. Once the glue was completely dry, I went in with some puffy paint in this neon pink color, and I'm just gonna go over it. You want to do kind of a thick layer so that it really pops and gives a 3D effect. You want to let this dry overnight, and there is the completed phone case design. This phone case design is so easy to make. The first thing I'm going to do is paint a phone case using some purple acrylic paint. Then I have this squishy that I got from Amazon. It is a silicone squishy that is so much fun to play with. And all I'm going to do is glue it onto the phone case. And that's it. There is the completed phone case. The squishy is so much fun to play with, and honestly, I think it looks so cute. And for the final phone case design, I'm going to be making a bunny. So the first thing I did was paint the phone case using some turquoise acrylic paint. Then using some white acrylic paint, I'm gonna start painting on the bunny. I'm not the greatest at explaining shapes, but I'm kind of making like a circle, but then I'm kind of also making it into like a little bit of an oval, if that makes any sense. And then I'm gonna just make the ears. Once you're happy with the shape of the head, you want to make the eyes and the mouth. I also decided to make a bow at the top using some pink acrylic paint. And finally, to finish it off, I added a little pearl on top of the bow. And there is the bunny phone case all completed. Let me know in a comment down below which phone case design was your favorite. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.